Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Although summer is my favorite, I don't mind the spring season. The flowers are blooming. The leaves on the trees are growing. The birds are chirping. The grass is getting greener and the temperature warmer. Yes. All these make me happy, and it also reflects it in my cooking. Here's a tasty side dish that fits super well with this time of year. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my spring pea salad. There's a rainbow of colors, making it so appetizing. The flavors marry so well together. Plus, this side dish can be ready in less than 15 minutes. Wow, that's fast. As it pairs nicely with many proteins, this is a recipe you really want to have on hand. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a pot over high heat, we'll bring 2 cups of water to a boil before adding our frozen peas. We'll give a quick stir and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes at the most. We certainly don't want mushy peas. After 3 minutes, grab one and taste it. The pea needs to have a bit of firmness to it, okay? We'll remove from the heat and drain very well. Now, to stop the cooking process, we'll pour in cold water and swirl them around for a few seconds. We'll drain them again, and we'll probably have to do it all over again by pouring in more cold water, moving them around, and draining them. We want them at room temperature. Next, in a medium mixing bowl, we'll add our very well drained peas, finely diced carrots, the same with red peppers, celery, and radishes. We'll mix until the ingredients are well combined. And look at this beautiful rainbow of colors. It's so appetizing. Now we'll add some ranch dressing to the veggies. Obviously, I use my homemade recipe, so to get it, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll stir until everything is well coated. The next ingredient we'll add is maple bacon, which will add smokiness, saltiness, as well as sweetness to the salad. And of course, we'll stir. Last but not least, we'll add some fresh chopped dill. It can be enjoyed immediately or chilled until ready to serve. And my friends, this is our spring pea salad. Fresh, colorful, and packed with flavor, this is a gorgeous recipe to serve anytime. It's quick and easy to make, plus a delicious change from regular salad. Enjoy the spring season by serving this tasty side dish to your family. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!